Hello everyone, Lekhana here and welcome back to day 21 of Inktober. Today I'm illustrating a rainbow cake. I used recipe by Cupcake Jemma for reference. Do check out her video as it's amazing to watch the whole process with such a beautiful and tasty outcome. I've added the link for her video in the description box below. If this is the first of one of my Inktober video you have come across, then I do have 20 other videos for you, and I have added the link for the playlist in the description box. So I will let you enjoy the rest of the video. Remember to comment, like and subscribe, it would mean a lot. Thank you for watching and I'll see you tomorrow.
It's not love or passion. There's something desperately wrong with me. It's not fair to you, I know. And I'm sorry I can't let it go. There's something desperately wrong